Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect two Wi-Fi routers wirelessly using the WDS bridging method. This is a great way to extend your internet coverage without running any cables. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your second router, the one you want to use as an extender. You can connect to it either with a cable or through Wi-Fi. Open your browser and type the router's IP address, which is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Then enter your login username and password to access the settings page. Step 2. Go to the wireless settings of the router. Here, look for the option called WDS Bridging or Wireless Bridge. Enable this option. Once enabled, you'll see a button to scan for available networks. Click on Scan, and you should see the name of your main Wi-Fi router. Select it and enter your main Wi-Fi password carefully. Step 3. Adjust the IP address of the second router. If your main router's IP is 192.168.1.1, you can set the second router to 192.168.1.2. This prevents both routers from having the same IP address, which can cause conflicts. Step 4. Go to the DHCP settings on your second router and turn DHCP off. This ensures that your main router will be the one assigning IP addresses to all connected devices. Finally, save the settings and reboot your second router. After it restarts, it should connect wirelessly to your main router. Now, place your second router somewhere in your home where it still receives a good signal from the first one. This will extend your Wi-Fi range and give you better coverage in areas where the signal was weak before. And that's it! You've successfully connected two Wi-Fi routers wirelessly using the WDS bridging method. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.